Hi everybody, this is Suzette and I'm with LDV Parts Department and I'm here to tell you about our sliding display. You buy the base and then you just add on from there. 16 different accessories with new ones on the way. It is 24 inches tall, it's 19.5 inches deep, and it extends out on the heavy-duty rail to 16 extra inches. You could change it out as needed. If you're promoting a certain tool that week, you can change it every day. You could change it once a month, whatever works for you. And what's nice about this unit is so easy to install. We have our new diagnostic display. It is universal and does hold a new D9. We also have a new steel pegboard display. Just put your magnetic flashlights on here, you can put pegboard lacing in here and hold many different items, so it's all up to you. We continue with our ongoing innovation to support Snap-on franchisees worldwide.